Hi, I'm Sarah Kirksey, and I am doing some field work in education for SEMBRA this semester, and we're going to make a series of videos to help you out so that you can have really good test answers. So we're going to work through some of the articles that you've learned in class and some of the terms that you're going to learn throughout the semester. What we really want you to focus on are facts, the different controversies that are going on, and the outcome of the controversies. So the most important part is for you to learn these, and a really cool twist that we're going to put in is for you to start doing videos just like I'm doing today with bonus points. So this will be a really good chance for you guys to bump up those grades. Today we're actually going to go over the Catholic school teacher controversy. So when you're answering a test question pertaining to an article, a really important aspect of that is knowing the facts. So when you look at an article, what are the facts? Well, the facts would be who is involved in the case and what happened. Pertaining to the Catholic school teacher, the facts would be we have Michelle McCusker, and she gets pregnant out of wedlock, so she goes and she tells the school principal, look, I'm pregnant out of wedlock and I do not plan on marrying this man. When Michelle McCusker was hired in the first place, she was told to sign a contract saying that she would uphold the core teachings of the Catholic beliefs. And to this principal, Michelle McCusker violated this contract. Therefore, she was fired.
Mercy.
So, we just went over the facts, and the facts always lead up to the controversy. What is the controversy? Well, the controversy is the lawsuit. Whose rights are being violated, and who's being offended? What's going on that's illegal, and what's going on that's legal? What's the argument? For the Catholic school teacher's case, the controversy is that she violated a contract, that she would uphold these Catholic teachings. The Catholic school feels that this woman got pregnant out of wedlock, which doesn't teach the students good Catholic core teachings. And it could also bring up problems with the parents when they're putting their students in a school, not just for education, but for religious purposes. On the other hand, you have a woman, Michelle McCusker, a pregnant woman, who feels that she's being discriminated against for being pregnant. How can the Catholic school tell that a man is having sex out of wedlock, or that he's having a baby out of wedlock even? He could come to school and he's not showing he's not pregnant, but she is. So just because she's a woman and it's showing that she's pregnant, she's getting fined. So we've gone through the facts and we've gone through the controversy. The last part that you need to know for test purposes is the outcome. Who won and who lost? And remember, when you're writing the outcomes of these articles, not all of them say who won and who lost. And they are being updated constantly. So make sure you know whether or not there was an ultimate ruling, who won and who lost, or whether or not there was no ruling.
Go ahead.
So in Michelle McCuster's case, the church argued that she violated a contract to uphold the core teachings of the Catholic faith. And the court ruled that this was valid. Michelle McCusker is having a baby out of wedlock, which does not uphold the teachings of the Catholic faith. For Michelle McCuster's argument that this was discrimination against women, the court ruled that men and women are both having sex out of wedlock, and it doesn't mean that they're getting pregnant. Therefore, they're both being treated the exact same, causing it not really to be discrimination. Okay, so for exam purposes, remember, tell me the facts. Who was involved in the case? And then tell me the controversy. What happened? Whose rights got violated? And for the final part, tell me the ultimate outcome, the ruling, what the courts ruled. And if you do all of these three things, you will definitely do well on the exam.